What will win in a drag race between the new BMW M3 Touring and a BMW M8 competition? Well, we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, and you're watching Carwow. Now let me tell you about this BMW M3, which is one of Carwow's daily drivers. So it has a 3-litre twin-turbo straight-six engine that puts out 510 horsepower and 650 newton-meters of torque. And it drives all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic gearbox with a torque converter, but it does have launch control. So this car, it's kind of heavy for an M3, weighs in at just under 1.9 tonnes. It's also quite expensive for an M3. It costs from £87,000, though this one here with all the options on it, £103,000. I know, right? Let's find out about that M8. Hey Sam, how are you?
Hi Matthew, how are you? Do you get extra hot in convertible cars? I can't set a good temperature in this.
Oh, I thought you meant you got hot to people looking. They're like, oh, he's hot. Look at him in his convertible. He's hot.
No, this is purely temperature.
Okay. No. I think he's just got his heating on high because it's cold outside. Listen, Sam, I don't know. Let's just talk about the stats, right? What are the stats on your car?
So this is an M8 competition, obviously a convertible, 4.4 litre twin turbo V8, 625 horsepower, 750 newton meters of torque, 4-wheel drive, 8-speed gearbox auto, weighs 2.1 tons, which is an awful lot. Starting price 142,000 with all the upgrades. I don't know the exact price though.
Bloody hell. Let me just find something out. I want to find out how much heavier the convertible is, because I'm sure some of you will be going, wait a minute, the convertible, heavier than the coupe. Why haven't you bought the coupe? We haven't. So let's just quickly go on to ChatGPT. What does it say? 120 kilos heavier apparently. Check BMW website to confirm. Still thinking about it. Okay, so it said it couldn't get onto BMW's website to check. So just trust my other figure, which I got from just a random source. Well, I'm really bored of this. What I'm going to do is just put up the different specs from Carwow website. So here's the coupe, here's the convertible, and that's the weight difference. If you want to check stats out on cars, click on the pop-out banner up there, follow the link in the description below to go to Carwow. Anyway, let's just save you from being too bored. Here's the stats of the cars side by side so you can compare them. Now let's move on to the Carwow sound check. I'm going to rev up this M3. Yeah. So let's have a listen to your BMW. So, what was your soft limiter at?
Just under 5,000.
Not bad. Which car sounded the best?
Go again. Can I be really controversial? I don't think either of them sounded good.
Which sounded the least disappointing?
Yours, I think.
Yeah, there we go. This was the least disappointing. You want a V8 to sound better than that when you're just revving it. It sounds better when you're driving. Speaking of which, let's get on with it. Before we do, huge thanks to the people that have lent us that car, DNA Autohaus. Okay? Links to them in the description. You can find out how much that car is there because they're selling it used on their website. Make sure you go there because it just helps us get more cars from them. All right, right, let's finally get on with this race.
3, 2, 1.
We're both. Whoa! That was sketchy! Glad I got 4-wheel drive. We sort of left the line together, went sideways together, but mine seemed to hook up better after that all happened than yours did.
So I think my gearbox thought it had hooked up. I was all the way into 4th gear while you were accelerating past me. So I just thought it was going down the road quite happily. So my wheel speed wasn't reflective of the road speed, so to speak.
Rightio, let's go again then.
3, 2, 1.
That was a better launch.
This is stupid.
He's struggling. It's amazing how this hooks up.
I'm glad there's a dash cam running in this. It's literally going straight to 4th gear because it's trying to put power down. I want to go again. I want to go out of launch control and I'll deal with it.
Okay, you pro driver, I'm going to let my car system deal with it because the car system is very good in this.
Does yours skip a gear at all? Does it short shift?
It launches in... No, it just does it. It just hooks and goes. Just does the job.
Now's a good time to do a little replay of my gears going up that quickly.
Editor, do not under any circumstances do a replay. Just do something that kind of makes a mockery of Sam and his driving ability. Actually, this is what happened to his gears. See, he's not lying.
All right, I've got something figured out. Let's go.
Oh, do you hear that? He's got something figured out. He wants to go. Okay, so if you've got something figured out, it better work because it's best 2 out of 3, and I've won 2 out of 3. So I've technically won. Let's do 3 out of 5. This is your last chance.
Yawn.
3, 2, 1.
This hooked. He's hooked. He's figured something out. That's what best launch yet.
Come on.
Oh, here he comes now. Here he comes. Come on.
Oh, one more. Give me one more. Give me one more go. That was so much closer.
No. Okay, I'll give you another go. This is getting quicker.
Come on though, how much better was that go?
It was loads better, loads better. Go on, I'll give you another go.
3, 2, 1.
It's not got it. And that is my best launch yet. You had one more go. It's been a lot of races now. You're not going to win. Let's just do the thing.
Switch sides.
What, you want to switch sides? Switch sides then. I'll let you have one more go with you switching sides.
What a guy.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, we might be onto something there.
Come on!
Oh,
Come on!
oh yes!
Come on!
Come on! So my car didn't do as good a time as it did before. Listen, okay, I think the tyres might have got a bit cold there. Can we have one more go? I've given you loads of goes. I'll stay on this side, okay?
Okay, but put your hat back on and then tip it to me. Thank you.
3, 2, 1.
Sidewaysness. Oh!
did that short shift thing again. I don't mind a short shift to get power down, but I don't like it when the computer's deciding to do it for no logical reason that I can see. Yeah, you won.
It's one each on this side. Let's do the decider. I definitely won over that side. It's one each over this side. If you win, you win. If I win, I win. Obviously.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, going sideways. Oh. That's it. It's over.
I mean, yeah, things have to be perfect for this to have a chance. So what I was trying to do there was launch it, not in launch control. But when I was trying to increase the boost on the brake, it wouldn't go past 1500 RPM. So it didn't have a good punch off the line. Previous ones, it has gone above that and it's been better. So it's just, I don't know. There's electronics trying to be too clever here. I just can't overpower them, really. I think that's enough excuses.
But there might be another one. Stewards, can you just double check? Did I jump the start?
There was no jumps there, Matt.
I tried. You can't say fairer than that. I did try.
No, I'll tip my hat to you for the honesty.
There we go.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the M3 Touring won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 12 seconds dead. The M8 took 12.4 seconds. When we swap sides, the M3 Touring won again. It completed the standing quarter mile in 12.2 seconds, whereas the M8 took 12.5 seconds.
Now we have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. The cars are in efficient mode for the engine and comfort everything else. Race of the half mile, I'm going to call this in when we're nice and level. 3, 2, 1, go. This took forever to kick down. Let's put that over there.
Walking away.
V8 for the win now, look at that. Oh, he's just gapping. He's gapping. You're feeling a bit happy about things now?
I think to reciprocate your honesty, I may have been a bonnet ahead of you before we started there, but I think it's irrelevant. I was pulling away the whole way, wasn't I?
Yeah, there's no point doing that again. I don't want to be humiliated twice. Anyway, my car took ages to kick down. It's the same gearbox, but maybe it's different programming. Let's do third gear, roll on in maximum sportiness, yeah? Right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. It's picked up pretty well. He's off. He's off again. Let's lose that.
Captain!
That was even more decisive.
Isn't this a perfect example of having all the power and not being able to put it down? Look at the difference in the rolling race.
I know, but reality, you know, on the road, in gear, that is just going to drop this, isn't it? It really is quite a difference, isn't it? In the drag, this is winning, right? This is so good the way it hooks up.
Yeah, in the wet, it's winning. I think in the dry, it would probably be different. But yeah, in the wet, yeah, that's going to win all day long.
Interesting. You see, we're here to answer the questions that no one ever even thought about, just so we can drive some more cars and have some fun. Anyway, last challenge.
So now I get to stop the Sherman tank next to you and hope I win.
So Sam, with this, what I want you to do is none of your clever racing driving us. I want you to mash the brake like a Billy.
No problem.
No, but that's what I want. I want to show the car's performance rather than your performance.
Yeah, no problem.
Just when that little voice in the back of your head says, but Sam, you have to win. Winning is what really matters. Ignore that voice and listen to my voice. Hammer on the brake like a normal person would and hold it on. Imagine your child has just been rolled out in his pram in front of you and you've never had any racing instruction, okay?
This is the worst audiobook I've ever listened to.
Will Sam bleed off his brake till he's at the ABS? Will he listen to any more Matt Watson audiobooks? Find out now. Here comes the line. Where is the line? I can't see it. There's the line.
I'm on the brakes, look, hands.
Okay, so in my defence and the defence of the M3, we know from the launch that this side of the track is slightly slipperier, which is clearly evident in that braking difference. Let me try again. I'm so gobsmacked I can't even talk anymore. You know what I mean.
Sorry, I nodded off. The seat goes really far back here and I just fell asleep. That was so boring.
That's my excuse and the car's excuse. Poor car. Yeah, I was just like aquaplaning, the standing water, ABS was going crazy. It was all just bad. And Sam, you didn't feather the brake, you just stamped on it in a panic, is that correct?
I had both hands really poorly placed on the top of the wheel.
I was looking at the camera and then I actually let go with one hand and then I let go with both hands for the end of the braking zone.
To prove I am not downshifting.
It's not just the downshift, it's also the bleed off the brake to get out the ABS. You didn't do any of that. Swear on your child's life. Do we need to do it again?
I used both my feet on the gigantic brake pedal. I used Matt Watson dum-dum skill on the brake pedal for you. How's that?
Wait a minute. He was being rude, wasn't he? Damn him. Anyway, I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, give it a like. Thanks to the guys at DNA Auto House. I don't know. Anyway, you can see how to say it properly in the comments below, and you can find out, not in the comments, in the description. And you can find out how much that car is actually worth. Maybe you want to buy it. Maybe you do. Go check it out. Anyway, if you want to watch some more videos, click on the windows there. And if you want to see these cars quarter mile times and how they compare to all the other cars we ever drag raced, do you know what to do? That box, click it, go there now. Drag race leaderboard. Thanks for watching.